Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make profit and loss chart in Excel. It is dynamic, means these bars are based on these values. If I change value, it will be getting changed by itself. Okay, if I change this value to 60, now you can see the bar is getting changed by itself. Guys, this is very easy to make. I will do it just in 4 or 3 steps. Follow me, let's get started. First, create a new sheet by pressing this plus icon, then copy whole data by pressing Ctrl C, then paste it here. Select these columns, make it a bit wider, then apply this style, and these two cells as well. Now select these two cells and merge it, and then type loss and profit chart, right? Then select the whole data range, press Ctrl 1. Here select border, then select outline, then select these options, and you can change the color as well. And also remove these grid lines from this workbook, from this sheet. To remove grid lines, click View menu, then uncheck grid lines, and make these two cells a bit wider, right? Now it looks perfect. Okay, to make bar for loss, then we use this formula. Type equal F. Check this cell. If its value is less than 0, change its value to positive. We use the abs function to change the negative value into positive. Which value? This value, right? If it's not greater less than 0, then do nothing. Apply this formula till the end. To make a bar for profit, then we use this formula. Type F, then check this value. If it's greater than 0, just place the value here in this cell. If it's not, then do nothing. Apply the formula till the end. Now I'm going to make bars, right? To make bars, select this range, this part which is for loss, then click home, click on conditional formatting. Here click new role. In new role, select format style. In format style, select data bar, and check this one, show bar only. There will be no value there, and change this to number, so the minimum value will be 0 and the maximum will be 100, because it's 100 base or it's based on percentage. Then change color to the red one, it means we did lost here. Then click OK. You can change the direction. The direction will be right to left, then click OK. We can see. Then select this part, click conditional formatting, new role. Here select data bar, then check show bar only. Number, minimum will be 0 and the maximum will be 100, and change its color to green. Bar direction will be from left to right, then click OK. Now if I change the value, suppose I change this value to negative, then the bar will be convert to a red one. Okay, now you can see it's getting changed. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.